See it in my nails? I went into my nails. See? Got
That's not in your
Yeah,
nails.
it is one shot.
Did you do the other side?
Yeah, I did. I did them both.
Well, scrub harder
Hey,
than no
Anna, I'm
bubbles.
scrubbing so hard.
Maybe you need more soap.
No, the bubbles
Now
will come
you
if
need
there's
more
more.
water.
Now I need more water. Okay, there. Now I can wash my hands, right?
And those were all clean.
Those are
I'm
clean.
sorry.
Still, I
Now
washed
you
it.
have to do those over again.
We'll do them over again when you go to bed. Where is paper towel? Where's the paper towel? Where's the paper towel?
Oh my god.
Where's the paper towel?
Shit. Use a dishcloth.
Okay, small child. I'm making some eggs. Give me a fork. Can I have a...
Make me eggs, camera. Since he's not doing a very good job.
Can you pass me a
remember to wash
fork? I
his
need a
hands.
fork to do this.
You brought us.
You don't even know where a fork is when
No.
one's right in
I'm
front of your
sorry.
face.
I don't actually.
Yeah, Tyler, you fucking retard.
Sorry.
Oh, wow.
You're mean.
Do you want a hug?
Later. Thank you.
Oh, wow, anal rape.
What?
Wow. So, I suppose that was my sister
Me too.
freaking out on Tyler because he didn't wash his hands.
That's the wrong